Hi folks, you never guess what I'm doing. You probably never want to guess what I'm doing. Remember what I used to do in the old days? With wood. With wood. Wood. Well, at junior school, infants, little biscuits, whatever they call them, has painted a pretending tree. Look at me when I'm talking to you. They painted a pretending tree on the wall, and they asked me would I do them a bloody door. You know what I mean, lads. A fairy door. A fairy door. Where the magic is for the kids, you see. Where all the magic is for the kids. So I said, like I always have done, of course I will. Oh, well, sometimes you want to learn to keep your mouth shut, don't you? But it's for the kids, so what's half of 12, folks? Half of 12 in my day used to be 6 inches. So it's not going to be the greatest thing you've ever seen. I'm not expecting you all carpenters of the world to jump in and have a go at me and say, Rob, what are you doing? Because I'll just retaliate and say, I don't know what I'm doing. I just do what I want to do. If I get it that way now, it's going to just make life a bit it's going to make life a bit easier. So I'm just going to go from there to there to there. When I retired and took up carpentry like all old people are supposed to do, I'm going to be a carpenter. And this is what I used to make. I got to be honest, I made a pretty fair penny at it. But doing the same thing every day of your lifetime drags you down. Especially when your brain wants to go one way, but then, let's do one of these. I went from metalwork to woodwork, back to bloody metalwork as fast as I possibly could. Which is fucking hot. You can see you can burn yourself on it, such lovely stuff as well. Can't swear because they might make the kids watch it. Oh, this is how Uncle Rob done it. Uncle Rob. It was too big for this sort of table now. Even a real carpenter will tell you that. I'm sorry yet again. Well, I haven't got 2 weeks to do this. I've got exactly 1 hour. So bear with me. Well, that's fucking great, isn't it? Where the fuck you buy that from? China? China love you a long time. China don't fucking love me at all, apparently. China no love you. So I tried to forget what a woodworking tool looks like because I'm not interested in frickin' woodworking. It's a fantastic tool in the right hands. Maybe not mine, but somebody else's. Fantastic tool. It was my bestest. Did you know when you retire you go out and buy everything, don't you? You gotta buy everything. You don't have to be great because fairies wasn't very good carpenters. That's it, finished. No, that's not, no it's not. Now I had to get this stuff, and I do apologise because it's shite, but we're just going to cut out the best bit if my screwdriver stays in. Are you excited? Are you excited as me? Having to do one of these things again. I'm going to put that on there, that on there, that on there, and that's going to be it. It's going to be windows, door handle, a fork handle, yes you can. I'm going to cut it wide so you can pretend to plane it off later when nobody's looking. I'm just going to cut this out rough. Ha. That's the door. That's going to be glued on there like that. That's going to be glued on there like that. Rounded off pretty fine. Windows, maybe a couple of panels, who knows, just get on with it. Stop talking to these people. You don't know where they've been. Well, it looks like a pencil from a distance, but one never knows until you try to use it. Wait there. I've got one of these things. It's one of them things you stick on a boat to find out where you're going, like. Compassy thing. Yes, segments. That sounds a flicking good word for this time of night. There. To there. Stop beating about the bush, you boss. Beating the bush, you boss. Beating the bush. Where are we going with this fucker? There. How's that? That's going to come out. 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 And that's going to come out. They don't do pencils like they used to in the old days, do they? I mean, I used to rant and rave about pencils back in the old days. There's a lot of my friends, I'll tell you. We've had a couple of good run-ins with the old, a real pencil man. I don't come in the shed very often now because it's not the place to be. Can you see enough? Tell me, shout. Now, believe it or not, I still got everything in this. Still got blades. I got everything from the old days. So it's just a matter of learning how to use it again. And I got engines and stuff. I'm gonna have to work my way around, but. It's surprising how blind I've gone in the last couple of years, you know. I couldn't see a fucking thing in a voice. If you look back about 900 videos, you'll see I used to fly around on this thing, but it's awkward now because everything's in the way, so I haven't got the span to swing and wave my arms like a fool, but as I said, I don't want it looking great. It's supposed to look like a battered old fairy door. I think it's a challenge more than anything else. Yeah, I'm sweating my lung out because it's bloody one of the hottest days we've had, and B, I haven't got a fucking clue what I'm doing anymore, so. The hardest part, I think I've got so many lines on here, it's quite confusing. It's like a junkie's arm. There's lines everywhere on here. I don't think I can say that live, I'll edit that out. Right. Please don't tell anybody you saw me doing this. It's a door, for Christ's sake. In fact, that's a door. That's a fucking mess. Right, so in here, we got nails in it. We got door handles. Oh, you want a silver door handle? What we give them, a silver or a gold? Right, let's fucking get out of here, man. People start thinking. We're gonna get some glue. I don't know if you saw that then, but I burnt myself off a piece of wood. It's alley coated, like. It's got up. You can't get it too hot, otherwise it won't peel off. So you just want to rough this side up so the glue sticks. Well, I will tell you, if you're doing anything for kids, check and check again, because you cannot give a kid a splinter. They would be fucking hell to pay. So double check your checklist, and keep checking if you got to. You don't want a little Todd screaming his lungs out because some ass wipe gave him a fucking big splinter in him. Right, we want to whack back up the nails in here just to help the glue on its way. So we got that sort of shape at the moment. I'd love to do this in metal, but it can't be done. So it can't be done. Guys, if I knew what I was talking about, I'd be fucking dangerous. Right, we're on 3 pieces. It's going up against a skirting board, so it'd be better if it fits on top of the skirting board. That way you can, if it goes on top of the skirting board, you can put steps going up to it, you know. Please help me, I'm falling in love with you. So we had visions of doing it like that. You heard it? Bends on the back. When it gets through it bends, so it's a good idea, maybe. It's another thing we gotta find in there. That stuff they call freaking sandpaper. Right, check. Everything's pretty. Fucking, I can't do this shit. No. What's going on here? You can put a sheet of, you know, clear stuff, whatever they fucking call that these days. Probably clear stuff. There's 2 saw lines across here, I don't know. See? I didn't do it. So obviously that's the letterbox. What I'm doing. If I had a bit of money, I'd be out with Sue. Okay, now. You said you wasn't going to swear because the kids. This 4 inches off the floor, so if I did a set of steps, sod the expense. So she's 4 inches high, so you want at least 4 inches out, is that right? It's for a good cause, isn't it? You know young ones. That's your 4 inches, 4 steps. Now let's rough them up. Now you see why I had the other shed for doing woodwork. I mean, the woodwork is just everywhere. It's everywhere, yeah. Anyway, there it is. That's going over the toddler school, and hope they appreciate it. Okay, thank you very much for watching yet again. You know how much I appreciate you all. And I went back to woodwork for the day. Oh my god. Somebody chucked some iron filings in my eye.